If Firefox feels slow on Windows 11, freezes up, or takes forever to load pages, this video is going to help. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can speed Firefox up and make it run much smoother. We'll change one advanced setting, turn off hardware acceleration, clear old cache and cookies, and make sure Firefox is fully updated. These steps are quick, free, and safe to try. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox and click into the address bar. Type about, config, and press enter. You'll see a warning message because this area contains advanced settings. That's normal. Click accept the risk and continue to get inside. Now you'll see a search box at the top. In that box, type or paste this preference name exactly, dom.ipc.process.priority-manager.background uses eco-course. Once the setting appears, look at the value on the right. If it is set to true, double-click it to change it to false. If you see a toggle or plus icon, use that to switch the value off. This can help Firefox manage background processes differently on Windows 11, which may improve performance on some systems. After you change it, close Firefox completely and open it again so the new setting takes effect. Next, let's turn off hardware acceleration. This is an important step because on some Windows 11 PCs, hardware acceleration can actually cause Firefox to lag, stutter, or freeze. To do that, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of Firefox, then choose Settings. In the Settings page, use the search box and type Performance. Scroll down until you find the Performance section. First, uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. As soon as you do that, more options will appear. Then, uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. After that, restart Firefox again. Now let's clear the cache and cookies. Over time, Firefox stores temporary files that can build up and slow the browser down. To clean that out, go back into the Firefox Settings menu and click Privacy and Security on the left side. Scroll down until you see Cookies and Site Data. Click Clear Data. A small window will open with two boxes. Check both boxes, then click Clear. This removes old stored files that may be causing slow loading or browser issues. The next step is to update Firefox. Mozilla regularly releases improvements, bug fixes, and performance updates, so running the latest version is always a good idea. Go to Settings, then click General. Scroll all the way down until you find Firefox Updates. If there is an option that says Restart to update Firefox, click it right away. If Firefox is already up to date, you're good to go. Now that you've gone through all four fixes, Firefox should feel much faster and more responsive on Windows 11. If the browser was slow because of an advanced process setting, hardware acceleration, old cache, or an outdated version, these steps can make a big difference. Try them in order, test Firefox after each one if you want to see which fix helped the most, and keep the changes that work best for your setup. If this tutorial helped you fix Firefox on Windows 11, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides, troubleshooting tips, and browser fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.